Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very special celebration in Muslim culture, Eid ul-Fitr. We'll learn about the traditions, practices, and vocabulary associated with this important festival while enhancing our English speaking skills. Let's dive in. Eid ul-Fitr, also known as the Festival of Breaking the Fast, is a significant religious holiday celebrated by Muslims worldwide. It marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. Eid ul-Fitr is a time of joy, gratitude, and community. Now, let's go over some key vocabulary and phrases related to this celebration. First, let's learn some important words and phrases related to Eid ul-Fitr. Eid ul-Fitr, the festival marking the end of Ramadan. Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. Fasting, abstaining from food and drink from dawn to sunset. Iftar, the meal to break the fast each evening during Ramadan. Zakat al-Fitr, a form of charity given to the needy at the end of Ramadan. Prayer, a religious practice involving communication with God. Mosque, a place of worship for Muslims. Family gathering, coming together of family members to celebrate. Feast, a large meal typically shared with family and friends. Gifts, presents given to family and friends. Now, let's use these words in some sentences to better understand their context. Eid ul-Fitr is a joyous celebration for Muslims. During Ramadan, Muslims fast from dawn to sunset. We have iftar every evening to break our fast. Giving zakat al-Fitr is an important part of Eid. On Eid morning, we go to the mosque for prayer. Family gatherings are a big part of Eid celebrations. We prepare a special feast for Eid. Exchanging gifts is a common tradition during Eid. Now, let's talk about some of the customs and traditions associated with Eid ul-Fitr. First, Muslims start the day with a special prayer called the Eid prayer. This prayer is usually performed in a congregation at a mosque or an open field. It is a time to express gratitude and seek blessings. After the prayer, it's common to visit the graves of loved ones to pray for their souls. This reflects the importance of remembering and honoring the deceased. Families gather to share a festive meal. The feast often includes a variety of traditional dishes and sweets. It's a time for joy, laughter, and togetherness. Another important tradition is giving zakat al-Fitr, a form of charity. It ensures that everyone, including the less fortunate, can participate in the Eid celebrations. Lastly, exchanging gifts is a beloved tradition, especially for children. It adds to the festive spirit and strengthens bonds among family and friends. Now, let's practice some English conversation skills by talking about Eid ul-Fitr. I'll share a few questions and answers to help you get started. Question: what is Eid ul-Fitr? Answer: Eid ul-Fitr is a Muslim festival that marks the end of Ramadan. Question: so how do Muslims celebrate Eid? Answer: Muslims celebrate Eid by performing a special prayer, sharing a festive meal with family, giving charity, and exchanging gifts. Question: what is iftar? Answer: iftar is the meal that Muslims eat to break their fast each evening during Ramadan. Question: what is zakat al-Fitr? Answer: zakat al-Fitr is a form of charity given to the needy at the end of Ramadan to ensure that everyone can celebrate Eid. Thank you for joining me today to learn about Eid ul-Fitr and practice English. Celebrating and understanding different cultures is a wonderful way to enhance our language skills and broaden our perspectives. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or need further advice, feel free to leave a comment below. Keep learning and celebrating the beauty of different cultures. Goodbye for now, and Eid Mubarak to those celebrating.